I had healthy teeth, and that dentist grinded down my healthy teeth. He grinded down them so much that I needed 4 root canals, and I was in so much pain for so long. Don't go to a dentist that's gonna grind your teeth. You could do this non-invasively. Luckily, I was watching The Doctors, and I found Dr. Muslin. With the way I look, my bite is great, my teeth is great. It was done without grinding my teeth down, without shots. It was just amazing, and such a different procedure than what I had went through previously with my other dentist. Everything was so fast. It was painless, and it was just a really good experience, and I'm just really happy and excited.